bass. Shell.
Oh, nice.
Maybe with hammer on.
Oh, I like it.
Some extensions.
Ooh. Nice. Nice.
Bill Withers' Just the Two of Us is one of my favorite songs. I think it's a beautiful song, and it's also a great song to understand because I want a solo.
Right.
And we have a couple of chords in this song. 5 to be. It feels like a lot,
yeah.
But it's only 5 chords, and I think it's really important. This is kind of the moment that the harmony and theory kind of really interact with music. They always interact, but here it's very useful to understand what's happening because we can basically understand that we're in one key center. This D flat is the flat 6, which is basically the 6th in a minor key. Then C7 is the 5th degree, going to the 1, F minor. Then we have a little 2-5, like a little kind of tension zone leading us to the flat 6 again, which is that's the 6th degree in the minor key, back to the 5 and 1. That means that we can shred F minor pentatonic.
Right.
Literally, we can start with this box.
So we're gonna challenge each other and ask from each other what to solo and how to solo over the song, okay? So I'm gonna ask Rotem to just stick to one box of F minor pentatonic, and I just wanna hear that. I don't wanna hear chromatics and any other like high position. Just right here, all right? 3, 4. Nice.
Possible.
Job well done.
I think it's important to understand that even with one simple idea, the box of the F minor pentatonic, we can still make a lot of music.
A lot.
All right, I'm gonna challenge.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna challenge Alon to play a slide. Wait.
Slide like with the...
Slide with your hand,
Oh.
but only on one string, only on the E string,
Okay.
and still make music.
Slide.
Slide.
Okay. Oh my god, I went to the other string. You're gonna forgive me on this.
I'm gonna forgive you.
Only at the end.
Sounds so good. And it's
Thanks,
interesting because, right, he knows the F minor pentatonic, but whenever we have restrictions, we actually expand our box and learn a lot about music. And he's not only a great musician, but he's also able to see the scale and the pentatonic on the string, right? If I'll ask him to do it on a different string, I know he can do it because he really practiced the framework in different ways.
Sorry.
That's great.
Okay, so now my restriction for Rotem is going to be using the blues note, you know? I want to use that, and I want you to play it in every phrase that you're playing.
Okay.
Don't just like play it once in a while. All right, 3, 4. We're showing a lot of cool things here that I would want to remember myself. So make sure you go to Rotem's Patreon and check out those PDFs because they're going to be over there. Right?
Yes. Man, one of the things that make a solo for me is the rhythmic aspect.
Yeah, you're right.
I think pentatonic and all this stuff is great, but it's only happening when the rhythms are happening.
That's true.
What I want you to do is to try and syncopate. Give me a lot of upbeats. So this solo is just like syncopation.
Offbeats, syncopations.
Yes, sir.
Gotcha. Yeah, man, that's super important actually.
Yeah, it's really makes or breaks in a solo, I think.
Yeah, I know what to give you. I need some double stops.
All right.
We played a lot of single note stuff.
True.
So, all that stuff.
Ooh.
3, 4. Hell yeah. Very cool.
And it's very simple. All I'm doing, right, is just playing the pentatonic here.
Yeah, show me that real quick.
This position of the pentatonic.
Right.
Also a PDF on the Patreon if you need it, but basically just the pentatonic and grouping it in 2 notes, right?
Right. I love that. And the cool thing about it is that you only have thirds and fourths. That's all you got. Of course you can play a bunch of other stuff in fifths, but the simple version, yeah. So we got fourth, 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 thirds, fourth, 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 thirds. Really cool.
And it sounds great. It's really simple, but brings so much vibe.
Yeah, for sure.
Big news. I'm putting out a workshop that I worked a lot on, and I'm super excited to share with you. If you'd like to get a 10% discount, just follow this link and I'll send you the workshop and the discount when it's out. Alon,
What?
I want you to play chromatics with the pentatonic. So stay in the F minor pentatonic, but now you're eligible to upgrade the situation with chromatics.
Chromatics. Okay, got you.
Hit me. What happened there?
Right. Like you said, actually, that's a good point. You have the pentatonic scale. And in addition to the blues note, which is the flat 5, you can also add the major third, and the flat 9, and the major 7, and the 7. So like everything in between all the notes of the pentatonics, you can add chromatics.
So basically you're taking, if we just look at a box we had in the beginning, so if you look at that box, you basically say, okay, instead of going from the flat 3 to the 1, I can feel those notes.
That's right.
Between the 7 and the 5th.
Right.
And we know we're adding the flat 5 here, so we have, or
Exactly.
so we get basically a lot of chromatic notes, but still it sounded like the pentatonic to me because you were targeting a lot of that. Right?
Exactly.
You're just adding.
Yeah.
Just adding those to those essential notes.
So Rotem, for the last one, the last challenge, I just want you to play. It's not a challenge, but it is for most people. Yeah, I just want to hear what you got. So do whatever.
All right.
Okay.
Let's try.
3, 4.
thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Alon, for
Oh, thank you for
joining.
having